Hello, I've got the new Fetch TV streaming box and I've found it quite frustrating to use, and I think one of the problems has been this remote control that comes with it. These are the four main buttons there: apps, menu, back and exit. Well, it's really hard to read when you're sitting watching TV to see exactly which button you need to press, and it's all kind of joined in with these with this sort of central silver control button. So what I actually found is I went on to eBay and I found a replacement remote control. It was only $7. That included postage, and then it's got separate buttons for apps, menu, back and exit. And the apps button actually says apps rather than just having a little picture there, which was also confusing. And yeah, then the writing there is a lot clearer, bigger and clearer than on the remote control that comes with the Fetch device. So yeah, I'd recommend, if you're struggling with the remote control, struggling with what you should do, then perhaps spend the $7 and get yourself a new remote from eBay. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.